Alright, we're going to talk very quickly about solving trig equations. So, I'll give you the first example, then I'll give you the time to sort of let it fall on you. The first thing we have to recall is our unit circle and our exact triangles. Okay, the unit circles A, S, T, C, as we recall, and our exact triangles. The shorter side's always 1. The hypotenuse always has what number in it? 2. And then we use pi theta to get that angle there. The smaller angle is pi on 6, the bigger angle is pi on 3. The sine we want opposite over hypotenuse. What angle gives me that? Pi on 6. Pi on 6, thank you. And we are, because we're in positive, we already know we're in the first quadrant, correct? So we know that our first value, really what we're doing is saying x is equal to sine negative 1 of 1 on 2. How many solutions would we expect? 2. One in the all quadrant and one in which other quadrant? Sine quadrant, which we also call quadrant 2. So x1, just using our exact triangles, we can see is pi on 6. Are we happy with that? Now sine, does it represent the y or the x value? The y. So we want the spot in the circle that gives us the same height as that. And that sort of proves to us why we're in the sine quadrant. So I want, what angle is going to give me the same height? Well, what do I know about the halfway point? What angle is that? Pi?
5, 6.
You are correct. How did you get there? Okay. Well, I would argue that you started at pi and then you came back the same as the first angle, correct? Yeah. So that would be pi minus pi on 6, which is 5 pi on 6. Now the first thing I want us to do when we do this next one, what's different? What's different? It's a negative value. So before we start, I want you to ignore the negative for a second and find xk. What does xk stand for? We've done this before, I know it's a little time ago. What does xk stand for? Something angle. What is it?
Key angle.
Key angle, you could also call it the reference angle. And that's just saying the angle in the first quadrant, so I can apply that to my other quadrants when I get to that point. Sweet? So start by finding the key angle using your exact values and go from there.